Hi everyone. Today's job lead is another work from home customer service job. This is a full-time remote job opportunity. Here's the company. The company's name is Cision and the company is offering customer support specialist job. And now let's check out about the job role. So the job role is for customer support specialist, and as a customer support specialist, you will be developing a culture of customer excellence through timely and thorough handling of customer problems, customer issues, answering product and service questions, and suggesting information about other products or services. So the profile is basically to work with the company's customers to remove blockers to adoption of the company's software, ensuring they can achieve their business's goals. Now let's check out about the eligibility criteria or the skills that the company is looking for in their customer support specialists. So as a customer support specialist, you need to be highly customer focused and you need to show a real passion for the customer experience and customer support industry. You are driven, self-starter, enthusiastic with an ownership mentality, and you need to be adaptable and ability to thrive in a fast-paced, ever-evolving environment. And you should have proven experience in a customer interacting role. So this is the most important thing that people who have already been working in like customer service industry or who have some sort of customer service experience, they can definitely apply to this job. They're not looking for much of the experience in customer service, but yes, if you have little experience in customer service role, I think you could be a good fit for the position. Here you need to be able to collaborate with internal partners whilst coordinating key customer deliverables, ensuring world-class customer experience, and you need to have advanced listening and verbal communication skills to understand customers' needs and ability to respond clearly and concisely, both verbally and written. So here in customer service roles, it is important to have verbal as well as written communication skills, and you need to be enthusiastic, strong work ethic, and with a positive mindset, and you have influencing and negotiation skills. You should have experience with the GIRA software. So this is a kind of project tracking software. You should have excellent English language skills, written and verbal. Additional languages are an advantage. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that you can expect as a customer support specialist. As a customer support specialist, you need to answer customer support requests via telephone, ticket, or web promptly to enhance the customer experience. You are someone who patiently and attentively listens to customer queries and manages the resolution or connects them with the appropriate teams to address their needs. You are someone who quickly learns the functions of the support tools and systems to log in and resolve customer requests. You need to accurately record and log interactions with customers and update account information and are able to retrieve this information to create reports for management. You need to resolve platform or service problems by clarifying the customer complaint, determining the root cause of the problem, selecting and explaining the best solution to solve the problem, expediting correction or adjustment. Then you need to work with customer experience management to maintain best practices for efficient communications with customers. You need to address customer questions about new products or services, and also you need to collaborate with customer success managers, onboarding and implementation consultants, and other customer facing personnel to ensure service excellence. You need to contribute to bottom line sales by increasing customer satisfaction and reducing customer churn. You should be able to do cross-functional collaboration with internal and external partners and stakeholders. For example, the sales department, finance, other customer service departments, etc. And you need to perform other duties as required. So this was it about the roles and responsibilities that one can expect as a customer support specialist. So if you already have some sort of experience as a customer support specialist or in customer service industry, you can check out the details of the job. And if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, go ahead and apply for the job. Here's the application form, and you need to provide your You need to provide your name, email ID, current company that you are working with, and current location, then phone number, resume. Then additional information you need to provide here, the URL for your LinkedIn profile, and then relevant years of experience in customer service. And also, have you handled SaaS industry customers globally? Do you have experience handling customers from any of these countries? So here you need to provide that if you already have some sort of experience working with or handling customers from any of these countries, it would be a big plus. And then user knowledge and experience in CRM systems, that is Salesforce, and when will you be able to start if offered this position, and then what are your compensation expectations, so you have to provide that as well. Then submit the application form. And yeah, I think this is a great opportunity for people who have been working in customer service industry, or who have been working in any kind of customer support or customer service related profiles. And so this is a full-time remote job opportunity that you can do from home. So go ahead. Thank you for listening.